Hi, welcome back to OD YouTube channel. Let's see another unboxing today. I wasn't able to completely rip these out of place, but I don't think it's that problematic. There is not much personal information here. So this is a pen that I got from eBay, from China, and it is a pen that I got because I thought it would be interesting to have it. And so let's open it. I have here a trusty Victorinox knife with this very nice blade. Let's open this and take the pen out. Very simple. And I guess you all know this pen was around very recently in a lot of fountain pen channels. I'm here a little bit late to this show. I got the pen some days ago, but only today I'm able to do this. So we have here, it is a Jinhao fountain pen. It is matte black, made of metal, and it looks like a Pilot capless. And I wouldn't choose this color, but I already have a capless like this, and I traded or sold it. And so here we have a pen with an extra fine nib, with a converter, and it's very, very similar to a Pilot capless. So maybe by now you've seen some reviews of it. I will just show it next to the same pens, let's call it that way. So this is the Jinhao 10, which is a very inexpensive and interesting pen. This is the Mahjong A1, and you can see it's almost the same pen, and you can see here the Pilot capless. In the United States it's called Vanishing Point. So they are actually the same pen. There are a few differences, very small, that I can see. These rings in the middle of the barrel are different. This has a very straight nib. This nib has this little indentation there. This one also for the ergonomics, although most people don't like this kind of nib, this kind of clip. So here we have the three pens. So I would say they are really, really similar. I know the parts of this pen are interchangeable with the Pilot parts, and now I wonder if the Mahjong, the Jinhao parts are interchangeable also. I can see this is a little bit tougher. This thing, we need to push it really longer. It has the same kind of mechanism, kind of a trap door that gets open and the nib gets out. So the same kind of design. Actually, it means that the design of the capless is not anymore copyrighted, so anyone can make this kind of the same kind of design. It's free now, and so we are happy to have lots of different experiences for this same design. I don't think this is smooth at all. You need to go there, and it's not enough to stop. Will not. No, you see, now it didn't even like this. It is not enough to put the nib out. In these pens, it is. This is a little bit a longer travel to do it. I think it's a matter of being used to it. So let's just, maybe as I am telling you, maybe you already saw these in some other reviewers, because there are lots of reviews out there. I didn't watch any. I just want to see the differences. I think they are quite similar. The difference is that this nib doesn't have a breather hole and the Pilot one does, and the Mahjong doesn't have a breather hole also. And let's just put the Jinhao unit inside the Pilot pen and see. Yes, it works perfectly. So this is kind of fun because you can play around. Can I change parts? Let's put the Pilot nib there. Yes, I think you can do all the crazy stuff you want. So you can mix all these pens because they are virtually the same. So let's not go through the part of the imitation or anything like that. We know that the copyright of the pilot is gone, so everyone can do such a thing. And that is what happens here. So I think it's very nice for us to have an option to try different things in different price points. This pen costs around 10 to 15 euros. This is much more expensive, so it is, I think it's a nice way to understand if you like the philosophy of this pen, if you enjoy the way it writes, the balance, to have the clip in the way, you can find if you like it and then to decide to buy a more expensive one. I just want to tell you, because I know some haters will come and say, but you are spending money in that, and I have, I'm not sure, maybe 6 or 7 Pilot capless pens. So I did not stop buying a Pilot pen because I bought the copies of it. So I didn't. So there's not that thing bad. Now they invested. Okay, they invested. They had the intellectual property about the design during some legal years, and now they don't have it anymore. So that's life. That was the payment for their investment. So now other brands can do similar things. We already had some other attempts. I have some. I will show it when I'll make a review. Now it's not a review, just showing the pen. There are the Lamy Dialogue fountain pen. I have the Pilot. No, not Pilot. Sorry, the Platinum Curidas. I have a Dagong pen, which is very strange one and quite bad. I have 2 versions of the Mahjong, the A1 and the A2, and I think I have a Pilot Fermo, which is kind of a grail pen, was kind of a grail pen to me. So I have a few different variations about these pens, retractable pens, and there are still some more that I don't have, but that's life. I don't think I will ever have one of those. There is a Visconti capless pen, which is very expensive. So this is it. Those have different designs. This design is the same. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will try them and maybe I will make a comparison between all the different kinds of capless pens that I have. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and we will see you again soon. Bye.